Focus Asia, your first window to discover Asia. Good day, listener. You are listening to Focus Asia with me, Calvina. We have news from Indonesia. NCT 127 will hold another concert in Jakarta in early 2024. The concert, entitled NCT 127 Third Tour Neo City, Jakarta, Reunity, will take place on Saturday, January 13, 2024 at 7 p.m. and Sunday, January 14, 2024 at 2 p.m. at Indonesia Arena, Senayan. This marks NCT 127's third world tour, starting on November 17, 2023 in Seoul, South Korea. NCT 127 previously appeared at SM Town Live 2023 in Jakarta on September 23. Tickets available from Thursday, December 7, 2023 at 1:27 p.m. on diandraglobalstore.com. Ticket prices range from 3,350,000 rupiah to 4,550,000 rupiah. Promoters urge fans to buy tickets only through the official website to avoid issues. Emphasis on purchasing tickets only through the official website. Any issues arising from buying tickets outside the official site are not the responsibility of the promoter.